Hello friends, Artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is an attempt number 3 in getting perfect blooms for the PPA collab that happened on 27th July. Why posting so late? So I could not find time to share my third failed attempt in getting perfect blooms. So as you see, this time I have selected an opaque pigment from Epoch, which is pine green, and a wine red dye. Both are locally bought from a craft store, and of course opaque white to go along with these. I have taken the new expensive resin once again, and I'm still trying to figure out its working time as I failed last time. So let's start with the mixing of the colors first. So this time I was paying close attention on the resin consistency and the time in which I have to begin the process. While I was waiting for the resin to warm up, my son called me up for just 5 minute thing, but that 5 minute again costed me my project. The resin got a bit more warmer than it was supposed to begin the process. Let it be. So just 5 minutes made a drastic difference in the results that you will see in upcoming clips. I started making spirals as earlier ones and drew petals with the help of a skewer. At this time, when I saw resin not moving at all, I understood it's a fail again, but what can I do more? So I left it to cure and try to save like the last ones. The next day I selected Mystic Prime Rose and Amaryllis from Color Art Pigments to back these coasters. These pigments were sent to me by Miss Casey from CWV Artistry. You see, the blooms did not happen at all, so it's okay, we know how to save failed blooms. Let's go ahead, mix the colors and pour it into the mold and wait for the next day. Let's demold these and see do they look good or completely messed up. I think choosing similar colors worked. I think I love them. Tell me your opinions if they look good or a completely failed attempt. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my video. Your suggestions are always welcome on my channel. Time to go now. I'll meet you in next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.